Hey guys, what is going on? This is iAppleGeek. And today I want to unbox for you guys Apple's latest iPhone, the iPhone XS.
Lightning strikes by my window. It's my chest right in the morning.
The specific model I have today is the iPhone XS in the gold 64GB model. Unfortunately, we still do not have any sort of fast charging in the box. It looks like we have the usual headphones with the what? Where's my dongle? Where'd you put my dongle? That was my favorite part of the review. Needless to say, this year's iPhone release was a little bit underwhelming for a lot of people. However, this may be a good thing if you held off buying the iPhone X last year. The software features are going to be pretty much identical to the iPhone X, so you're not getting really that many exclusives. However, there are one or two distinguishing features. One way to tell these devices apart is that on the bottom band, the speaker grills are now asymmetrical, which is a little strange. But that extra antenna band gives you better LTE speeds and gigabit LTE when carriers start rolling out 5G. Also, be careful when you're buying a case because the iPhone X cases may not fit perfectly because the camera is a little bit bigger and because of that antenna band thing. We do have some cool new live wallpapers for the lock screen, however at the expense of all of the previous live wallpapers. I don't know why Apple removes these, they should just keep them in. Remember last year the main concern with the iPhone X was that the only change to it was the display, everything else was basically the same as the iPhone 8? This year is not the case. I believe the iPhone XS is what the iPhone X should have been last year, which is great because you're now getting more for your money, for that really high price tag. Let me just say first off, this is not meant for iPhone X users. So if you're looking for key differences between this and the iPhone X, you're not going to find a whole lot. This is really targeting the users from 2 or 3 years ago, so basically those with the iPhone 7 or older. And I know you probably already seen way too many videos with the gold iPhone XS. I know it's overrated. I agree, but this year's gold is much better than last year's. It's not quite as pink, it's more muted. It's not pink, it's not yellow, it's right in between. I had the space gray last year, now it's in this awesome D-brand skin. I didn't feel like getting the same color for a review. If you want to check out those colors, I do have videos on that. But if you're thinking about getting one, don't worry about which color because they all look fantastic. Also, if you're considering the XS Max and you're having doubts, please go into a store and try it out. I did that today and man, that thing is huge. You may like that, you may not like that, so I highly encourage you to go try it out first. But otherwise, the XS Max is exactly the same as the normal size XS, internals and everything, so it's not like the difference between the smaller and plus models that we've seen in the past. But anyways guys, there is much more to come in my full review and camera test of this thing. This year's biggest visual changes was in the Apple Watch, so if you want to go check that out, be sure you hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.